Hello, my friends. This is Dudi. So I'm here to talk to you about something that's on my mind, במוח שלי, it is like one of two options. Or you live on the moon, or you have Facebook, one or the other, no in between, no gray area, yin yang, black, white, one, two. So like I go on the Facebook, ויש לי כמה בעיות, I have some problems with this Facebook, you know? First of all, people write like the dumbest things on it all the time. Hey everyone, I went to the bathroom today, it was great success, I had good time, nice toilet paper. לא אכפת לי על זה! תפסיק כבר! מי אכפת להם על הבאתרום שלך? Who gives a crap about your bathroom experience that you need to explain it to all of your friends, all of your 2 million friends you met half of one time when you were drunk like 4 years ago? They want to see about your bathroom activities? לא נראה לי. תפסיק עם זה כבר, זה זבל, it is garbage. שני, number two, but like, people they put pictures. And there are two types of pictures on Facebook. The first is, I don't give a shit pictures, like, oh, כולם תתקלו על my 4 kittens. לא אכפת לי על ה4 kittens שלך. I don't want to see your ugly cat. If I wanted to see ugly cat, I would go and buy my own ugly cat. I don't go on the internet to see your ugly cat. Shalom, bye bye. Also like babies. כל הזמן זה babies. דודי, on the prowl, לא רוצה babies. מה אכפת לי babies כל היום? Your baby is ugly. Look, deform. לא אכפת לי. תפסיק עם ה-babies. The other type of picture is like, wait, aren't you friends with like your dad on Facebook? Isn't he seeing you dress like a זונה, בת זונה, סבתא שלך היה זונה? You're going to put pictures of you looking like freaking פרוסטיטוטה על האינטרנט? מה, תפוקה? No self-respect בכלל? I could never be with a lady who put pictures of her bosom on the internet. תפסיקי, זה מגעיל! I don't want porno. I want Facebook, not porno book. אז תפסיקי עם כל התמונות של הדברים שלך. I don't want it. יא זונה, בת זונה. סבתא שלך הייתה זונה. Your grandmother was a whore. The other thing that I don't like. People are like always saying, oh, share my photo, go to Bahamas for like 2 weeks. Have you ever gone to the Bahamas for 2 weeks? Have you ever gone to the Bahamas for 1 week? Have you ever shared a picture from something and gotten like even a free pair of socks? I don't think so. אז תפסיק, get my hopes up, דודי חושב, Bahamas, יפה, חוף, ביץ', קורונה, הכל. לא, I just am, how you say, advertising for free like a stupid whore, like a sheep. Also, a side note, if someone can explain to me what is a crushing candy and why people are inviting me to this like every 8 seconds, like, I don't even know what a crushing candy is. אז תפסיק עם זה כבר. אבל Facebook, you know, it's like the new thing. So, what am I going to do? Not do it? But I won't, because I'm not a sheep. I'm not זונה, בת זונה. אם אני רוצה, יש לי פורנו. If I want babies, I go make my own. If I want kitten, I go to the garbage. מה אתה דפוק?